to give his remark, the celebrant of today. May we put our hands together as I invite Nyesom, Wike, Commander of the Order of the Niger, Grand Seven-Star Honorable Minister of the Federal Capital.
Thank the chairman of today's occasion. With that, the guest lecturer and erudite scholar, my own lecturer in the university, Professor Philos Ihonvere, the Majority Leader, House of Representatives. My dear brothers, the former governors of Enugu State and Abia State, who were part and still part of G5 movement. The Deputy National Chairman, my party, of the PDP South, and the National Secretary who have come to honor us today. Distinguished senators here, particularly Senator Onwell Oyeso, who represents my own senatorial district, Senator Philip Taribu Abuja, whom I know very well, is very popular in Abuja, the Speaker, Rivers State House of Assembly, and members of the State Assembly who have made us proud, who have shown integrity, who have shown commitment, and who have shown loyalty to our people. The Chairman of Elders Council, very humble, Chief, the Grand Alabraba, Chairman of APC and PDP, that are here, Chief Okocha and Aaron Chukwemeka, and the Chairman of PDP of Imo State, are here. The members, the Honorable Minister, Honorable Minister, my dear brother, Nnamdi Kanu, the Managing Director, Niger Delta Development Commission, Dr. Sam Okuku, the Executive Director, Charge of Finance and Administration, the Full of Ogo, the Zonal Chairman of the APC, Chief Victor Fubara Gadam, and the Zonal Chairman of PDP South, Chief Dan Obi. I have the Mandate Secretaries, Acting Head of Service, Mandate Secretaries, DGs of federal agencies that are here, the Area Council Chairman of AMAC, Buhari, Kwali, and Southern here. Members of National Assembly, our own, particularly the Minority Leader, who is leading all of you that are here. I especially greet you. You know, protocol here is too long, so just let me do our dear traditional rulers. Let me don't forget my own, my dear son and your friends who came to honor us today. They are beautiful women who are dressed in various colors. I sincerely want to thank you. The discussants, my friends Eric Osage, Senator Professor Sunday Ono, and my dear brother Loyalists. The book reviewer, our own brother Professor Clement Eden Adide. Let me now say, ladies and gentlemen, please forgive me if I've one warrior omitted not greeting you. It is not that I didn't want to obey you. The crowd is much. The crowd is much. So let me thank all of you. Now, when this idea was mooted, just like the chairman said, when I was called by Fubara, the MD of NDDC, and then Chief Executive, I told them, what interest is this? If they say we are not in what's your business, but you know you have something. So let's be focused on my work. They said no, that this birthday will not just come and go like that they want to honor me and let people know that this person has done something. So I want to sincerely thank them. Thank the chairman of the organizing committee, Senator George Thompson Sekebo. If you are working with John Sekebo, once you give him an assignment, not on social occasions like this, even in political matters, you will see how committed he is. He is such a person that if you give him an assignment, he can go home and be assured that that assignment will be successful. So Thompson and members of your team, I want to sincerely thank you. When I came into the hall, I was amazed. I will not lie to you, I was amazed. And I have nothing to pay you, but just to say thank you. And in your own time, we'll also celebrate you this way. And because today is not a political day, I'm not going to talk politics. I want just to thank all of you, and those of you who came, leaving all they are supposed to do, just to say, all of me and my family, I want to say on behalf of my wife and my children, I want to say thank you for coming to join people who are my friends and my associates. Professor Yembe has said a lot of things. My brother, Senator, has said a lot of things. For me in life, what's important is you know what you want to do. You know how you want to do it. You go ahead. One thing I can assure all of you here, we will continue to make you proud. I will never be distracted. I will still be focused to achieve the results that Nigeria will know that Mr. President is well. Yes, so many people have talked about criticism. I can assure you, it is even people who die there, people are criticizing you. Frankly speaking, because I don't see them, and I don't hear them, and I can't reply them. I've told most of you, do not bother about criticism. You don't know bother about criticism. What's important for you is, am I focused? Am I doing what I'm supposed to do? I tell them, the moment your enemies see that you don't listen to them, that you are focused and you are there to achieve results, they will be tired. But when you are being distracted, you are worried, they are criticizing you, they will say, yes, they've not gotten you. The only way you can silence your critics is to show them your result, show them your performance. I'm happy. When we were coming last night, I saw the flyovers were being printed. I said, thank God. So there was work that they are now printing. I said, thank God there was work that has been invented now. I've said, if you're not important, nobody will talk about you. Like somebody said, how many people are representing us? So, the support Mr. President is giving to me is enough for me. It's enough for me. I don't require anything. The moment I know that my appointer is happy, the moment I know that my family is happy, the moment I know that my friends and associates are happy, what's my own? But just go on. If you cannot match up with what we have done, why not come out and say, look, let the truth be told. Let the truth be told. I don't see anybody that will intimidate me or threaten me. I've not seen that person. At the appropriate time, we'll all meet. When the time for politics comes, we'll talk politics. Now it's for project in FCT. So once more, I thank all of you. Prof, I thank you so much. You have honored us several times. You have given lecture before. Only the second one now you are doing. It is not easy. It is not as if you don't have anything to do. But because of the love you have for us, the love you have for me and my family, you really gave us that happiness. My brother Prof, the same thing. All of you here. So let me thank my Deputy National Chairman and those who came with that the good Lord I brought you people here will take you people back safely. Thank you and God bless.
Your Excellency, our leader, just to say thank you for everything you do. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and now we'll take the GDI.
Yeah, GDI.
Chief Minister Nyesom Wike, Commander of Nigeria, the best performing minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, on behalf of those who work with you in the 8th and 9th Assembly, we have come to express our taking of love and appreciation to you, Digoha. Congratulations. God bless you, Excellency.
Thank you very much. GDI, please. Your presentation.